Well, good morning. We're on our way to Rondo Provincial Park for another 5-day camping trip. It's a little overcast this morning. It's about 20 degrees right now. So that is 68, I believe. We're trying out our new dash cam again, see if the picture's a little better when it's overcast. It was a pretty washed out picture when we went to Sarnia and it was sunny. So the picture was horrible. There's our dash cam. We've got it on the windshield. So what's Roy got to say for himself today? He's shaking his head. The microphone doesn't pick that up, I don't think.
Good.
unless there's something rolling around in there. Pretty flowers along here. Bulrushes.
Turn right on Wildwood Line.
They got some phragmites there still on the corner. They've last few years have been trying to get rid of those invasive phragmites that just kill everything.
In 1 kilometer, you'll arrive at Rondo Provincial Park.
They choke everything off. Something like grapevine, the wild grapevine. Gets into the trees and chokes everything. Kindling, $5. So there's a couple gates that you go through. This is the primary gate to get into Rondo Park.
You'll arrive in 300 meters.
And then there's a gate at the campground that you go through to get into the campground. There's the little market. So if you forget anything, you can get it there.
You've arrived at your destination.
Our site's 304, if they want to know. There's the staff building over there.
Turn that one around. Hello.
Coming for camping?
Yep.
Do you need to fill or dump the trailer?
I need to fill, yes.
Okay, do you know where that is?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so you can head there first and then head to the camp office after and they'll check you in.
Okay.
Thank you. She didn't ask if we have a reservation.
No, she didn't. Guess it doesn't matter to her.
There's the boat launch right there. Somebody getting their boat in or out. Sign for snakes and turtles. Might see some snakes this time. Manning Road. There's the park store. You get down to the bay there. You see people are having a picnic down there. There's day use area. I was going to say we could drive by that road that goes past the campground on that side, see if the site's open, but I don't know where you turn around. Oh, there's nobody at the dump?
Nope.
Somebody
Nobody
just
at the
coming
dump
from
station.
there. They didn't put their cap on.
Your cap's dangling. Oh, thank you.
There's the playground, more day use area, washrooms and faucets. Yeah, there's nobody here, so it worked out. We have the water on my side.
Shit, I went wrong.
Yeah, you went on the wrong side. Can you get over?
Not very graceful.
We're not we're not used to it being on my side yet.
No.
There's the fill. It is. You're gonna have a shower.
I didn't bring the soap and towel.
Oh. Well, you just have to run around until you're dried off.
I'll have to get you to hold it down and away from me. It's not raining on my head. Okay, don't keep it. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, dripping pretty good. Potable water. And there's the two dump stations there.
Okay, go ahead.
Wasn't getting air.
Yeah, turn it down a bit.
Oh. Well, at least we won't be pulling an RV. Wasn't that the name of the movie, Robin Williams? That was when he was dumping, though. And unfortunately, I didn't have the video going the day we did pull a Robin Williams RV.
You want to turn it down? Okay.
So our campsite this time is 2 sites over from where we were last time. It was actually the only one available that we could put our trailer in. Because they have a lot of campsites here that are tent only because they're hilly. And some are very small too. Overflow parking. You can buy firewood, bag of firewood, $10, kindling $7. So this is the check-in for the campground. There's the information board. Tell you if there's anything special going on in the park or if there's any alerts. Okay, we're all checked in.
So which road are we going?
The second last one, I'd say.
Which one is that? This way.
The one up there, Cherry Street? Yeah,
Yeah.
Cherry Street. Because I don't know if Pine goes around at the back,
No, it doesn't.
but I know Cherry does.
Oh shit! Off the bell.
Yep.
Scared the little shit out of these two.
Yeah. There's nobody in these sites, but you can see how hilly they are. They're not suitable for trailers. A Class B, I think you'd be all right because you could get up on the level part up there. So if you go up the slope there, that one would be all right for a Class B. This one, you got the trees, but you could get a Class B up in there. But they're more suitable for tents. They're not practical for us. And these are all unserviced.
Truck camper off the truck.
Yeah, I just want a Class B or even a small C would fit into there. Oh yeah, he's got his boat there. We've been in that site, I think, with our truck. No, with the motorhome. I think it was. And then there's no sites here. There is on the other side of the shrubs here. There is sites there, but it's not wide enough for back-to-back sites. And there's a walking trail that you can get to the other side. The walking trail goes there to the beach access, to the road that you can get to the beach access. So this is the site we were in last time. And this is our site this time. 304. Well, camp is set up for this week. We even put our shelter up. That's the first time we've really used that too, isn't it?
Well,
Yeah, we bought it used, and yeah, it's pretty neat. It's got lots of room underneath it. Shadow is all set up. The barbecue, our ladder ball is ready to play. We got a big campsite here. Haven't got the bikes off yet because I'm not sure yet if it's going to rain or not. Big D's over there, shining in all his glory. Barbecue set up. Yeah, this is a pretty big shelter. Is it 10 by 10 or 12 by 12? 10 by 10? Yeah. Pretty sturdy frame inside too. You can see it's been used a fair bit, but yeah, it's good enough for what we want. And it's got the one wall. You can put it on any side. We have it looped up right now. It goes all the way down just to let some air circulate through. Just have to make sure I don't trip over the guide wires. Got our tablecloth, our camp stove. What's that?
Put flags on them.
Yeah, pool noodles. Yeah. So this is a broadstone. It looks really well made. The guide wires kind of blend in. So we gotta make sure. Maybe that's what the yellow pockets are there for.
No, there's a hole the guide wire wound up.
Oh, I see that one's not through the loop either. But they do kind of catch your eyes, so yeah, so here we are. This is the beautiful orange butterfly weed. It's all over the place here at the park. Gorgeous. And there's some milkweed. Butterflies love that too. Look at the beautiful colors on him. Gorgeous. This is the outhouses at Rondo. They have a sink, soap, running water to wash your hands. One of the stalls is bigger than the other, and it's got a handicap bar. It's the one I like, helps me get up and down. According to the Lens app, this is a greenhouse millipede that's in the outhouse. He's definitely got a mission. So since we got here yesterday just after lunch, the sun, well, it was overcast the rest of the day yesterday. This morning it was overcast all morning. The sun's trying to come out here and there, but we just found that we have two 100-watt solar panels and two lithium-ion batteries, and they just can't keep up with the 12-volt fridge. The batteries were down 47% this morning, and it's only about 25 degrees C, about 77 Fahrenheit. So we brought our generator. We've already been running it for a couple of hours, but it's taking forever to top up the batteries. There's a honeysuckle amidst this grapevine, and it's full of berries. Not edible for human consumption. They're poisonous, but robins love them. And cedar waxwings. They look nice and juicy. Oh, I wish we could eat them, but no, no, no. This guy's setting a trap. Yeah, we gotta run our generator again. It's another overcast day. Our batteries just aren't keeping up to the 12-volt fridge. You hate people like us that have to run their generator, but don't want all the food to spoil either. This guy's been busy setting his trap. He's a little baby. He's busy helping out. They're all on the underside. Look at the pool of water on the road already. Coming down pretty heavy. It's just running down the road. Yikes. It's another generator day. Our batteries can't keep up to the 12-volt fridge. Look at the road, the puddle of water. Rain just bouncing off the truck. The road is flooded. Well, so much for our bacon and eggs that we were supposed to have for lunch. We ended up having our burger that we were going to have for supper. Had it for lunch. Thought maybe bacon and eggs for supper, but sure doesn't look like it. Splashing, even getting our mat wet. Come on, Mother Nature. Give us a break. Maybe we can do the bike ride tomorrow. Yeah. Pretty. I don't know what kind you are. Are you a rat snake? Gonna be a hot one today. It's 28 degrees already, and it is only 10 o'clock in the morning. It was really hot yesterday. There was a little breeze till about 7 o'clock, and the breeze died off, and it was really sticky hot. You can see I don't know if you can see the dash cam picture with the sun is really washed out again. Windmills as far as you can see. Overall, except for the heavy rain, it was a pretty good camping trip. We found out that we cannot camp off-grid without a generator. The batteries just won't support the 12-volt fridge. Can't keep up. Even though we've got two 200-watt solar panels, if you don't get pure sunny days, it just won't keep up.